Okay, so this is the free version. So you need to go to this URL that we've put in here, which will take you to the free Hootsuite account website. So if you click here that says get started free, this will then box will pop up. So you need to enter in your name, your business email, so whatever email address that you use for your charity, and then put in a password. You then click on create my free account. Okay, so once you've done that, you can connect your first social profile. So as Marina said, that you can connect up to 3 social profiles with a free version of Hootsuite. So pick the first network that you'd like to manage through Hootsuite. Okay, so once you've done that, it will take you through to the social network that you've chosen to connect. So it's worth noting here that you need to be administrator on the social network that you want to connect to Hootsuite in order to be able to do this. So once this box pops up, if you click OK, then it will take you through to your social network account. So here you've got a few options. So you can connect to a group if you manage a group, or the page. So if you type in what you want to add in, and then it will appear here. Okay, so here you can see we're going to connect a Good Exchange account to the Facebook page to the Hootsuite account. So a window will pop up, and then you can click the Facebook page that you want to connect, and then click Done. So if you have any ad accounts that you've already linked up to your Facebook page, you can connect them here. But if you want to keep it separate, that's absolutely fine. You don't have to manage your advertising through Hootsuite, so you can just click Done. You can watch our advanced Facebook webinar to learn more about Facebook advertising if you just click on this URL here. Okay, so to link other social network accounts, so if you want to connect your Twitter, LinkedIn, your Instagram, then basically if you just repeat the steps 1 to 7 to add the additional social media profiles.